What is up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to cover the best side hustle for 2024 that pretty much anybody could start if you have a cell phone. But before we get into it, if you could smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, that will really help me out. And if you want to learn about additional streams of income, passive income, side hustles, selling on Amazon, then you are in the right spot. All right, so what is the best side hustle for 2024? Here's a hint, it is not drop shipping, it is not creating Audible or Kindle books on Amazon, it is not print on demand, and it's not even selling products on Amazon. Now, before you get scared, that is still my number one source of income, and that's what I've been doing since 2018. Still a great business opportunity, and a lot of my students have been crushing it on Amazon, but there are additional ways to earn income in today's age, and it costs zero money to start. What I'm talking about is creating short form content. Now, before you get confused, all that means is you are creating very short videos and posting them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These are videos that typically take around 5 minutes to make, doesn't take a lot of time to make the content, and they are usually under 1 minute long. Most of my videos that got over 10 million views are only around 15 to 30 seconds, and they took me less than 5 minutes to make. Now, you're probably wondering, who cares if you get followers and views? How do you turn those views into income? Well, there are multiple ways you could earn money from your views and followers. That is why I created the Go Viral Academy. Sorry for the shameless plug right here, but I did create an academy that shows you what I'm talking about in this video. So basically, over the last 3 years, I've been creating content and I've learned a process on what makes a video go viral. From there, over the last year, I have exploded my social media following to over 3 million combined followers and over 500 million views across all social media platforms. Again, it did not happen overnight. It took me a lot of time in figuring out what makes a video go viral, but now I've pretty much cracked the code and I can have viral videos every month. So that opened the doors for a lot of things, including brand deals, which right here you can see last month I made over $1,000 promoting a random product, and it only took me about 10 minutes to make the video. It also opens doors for affiliate marketing. So you've probably seen videos of people promoting Amazon products. Well, they are making money every time you click on the link and you buy the product. So once you have followers and views, you could use those views and followers to convert sales on pretty much anything. You could also teach people what you do if they like what you do. For example, if you're a musician and you make music and people want to learn how you make songs on a certain software, you can teach them and charge for your time. So once you build an audience and a following, now you can capitalize on that because a lot of doors are going to open. Another way that I earn over $1,500 a month without doing much work is I create content and post it, and then the platforms are paying me for my views. So right here on Facebook, which is Instagram Reels, and then on YouTube Shorts, I'm making around $1,000 to $2,000 a month, and all I'm doing is reposting my content from my TikTok account. Now, I have many different TikTok accounts because I've been testing this over the years. So only like a year and a half ago, I didn't even have this YouTube plaque. I had very little subscribers on YouTube, but then I started posting YouTube Shorts, and instead of getting like 100 views on my long videos, I was getting 10,000 views or more, and those views were getting me more subscribers. So in 1 year, I got over 100,000 subscribers from posting YouTube Shorts. So pretty crazy. Hopefully that gives you a little motivation. Again, you do not even have to show your face. You don't have to talk in your videos. And all you have to do is learn the process of what makes a video go viral. And then from there, once you start going viral on social media, all these additional streams of income will open. So even if you do sell on Amazon, like myself and many of my students, you can use this strategy to explode your sales. There's been videos that you've probably seen on TikTok where a video goes viral. Next thing you know, if you look at their sales on Amazon, there's a huge spike because if people watch that video and a small percentage want to buy that product, now you're getting a lot more sales if you're selling a product, for example, on Amazon or Etsy or your own Shopify store. So the Go Viral Academy can be used for anybody, whether you have a business, a plumbing business, a construction business, if you're a DJ or you want to be an influencer or you want to promote Amazon products and be able to join the Amazon Associate Program, then the Go Viral Academy is for you because it's going to teach you the whole process, how I make viral content, how I've made up to $70,000 a month just from making videos, and I cover all of that in the program. It took me over a month to create. There's over 33 lessons in the program, and I am still adding more content to it to help you guys out because I want to keep that program up to date and I want to teach you as much as I can so you can become successful on social media. All right, guys, so again, the Go Viral Academy is now live. I've been spending a lot of time on it. It's down below in the description, and it's going to show you all the additional side hustles that you could start once you make viral content and hit a certain amount of followers. Again, it does not take a lot of time to get a lot of followers these days. Back in the day, it took me a very long time to get a lot of views. I would post a video and I'd get like 100 views. But now, since TikTok has came out and YouTube and Instagram Reels have been pushing content out because it's short form content, now you could have 0 followers and then get one video to have over 1 million views, and now you have over 10,000 followers within the first month, and now you could take advantage of all the things that I was talking about. So don't get discouraged by thinking that you need a lot of followers. You could get followers very quick, just like I talked about how I got YouTube followers. It's all from short form content. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the content. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.